What's up mga katropa? Ngayon ay magbabalik na naman tayo upang maglaro naman tayo ng panibagong horror game. Ang lalawin natin ngayon for the day is walang iba kundi Silent Still. So, bago tayo magsimula dito, gusto ko munang mag-like and subscribe tayo dito sa aking channel para upang masimulan natin ang laro na to. At lagi kayong handa sa mga panibagong in-upload na video. So let's try na tayo. Let's go na. It's been a very tiring day at work. Teka lang. Yung sensitivity natin. Ay, lang. Sabi ko. Okay na. Wala ba tayong plastic dito? Dilim. Okay. Ganda. Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Village. Okay. Ano gawin natin ngayon? Put your bag in the pouch. Okay. Ang dami ng bag mo ah. Alright, I need to pee badly. Saan ang siya mo ngayon? Sa siya niya. Bagal maglakad. Okay, let's go. Okay, hindi tayo ngayon. Sayuan na at di na at nakakal... Saan? Dito ba? Ito pala. Saan? Wala ko, may nakatayo. Okay, dito pala. Okay. Space. I should turn off the lights in this room. I can sleep easily. Di mo ba sasarado lahat ng pinto? Okay na. Kaya matulog na. Okay. Ano naman mangyayari sa atin yan? God, I'm so tired. I need to a good night's sleep for work tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Ano meron pag napuro to? Ano nangyari? The first experience chapter 1. Ano meron? Sleep paralysis? Yangungot? Oh. Yangungot tayo. Ah, hindi. Sleep paralysis. Oh wait, I can move or speak. What happening? Nana tayo sleep paralysis. Hello, ha? There's no voice coming out of my mouth. What should I... Hindi pa nababasa eh. Please mo naman. Oh my god. Sino yun? Sino yun? Patay na ng ilaw. Hello, who's there? Negosyo na naman. Oh my god. Natayo ba? Kung mo sabihin, teka lang. Teka lang, ito yung ay nakayawan ko eh. Hindi na susulpot sa pintuan eh. Teka lang. Teka lang. Game. Wala ko yung boss, yung sound. Mamaya tayo eh. Ano niya? Putang ina mo. Ay, who's that in the kitchen? Oh my god, ayun siya. Ayun na siya. Atayo siya. Holy fuck! Hey! Who are you? Sino ka? Hey, answer me! What the... Woohoo! Sa taas natin yan. Okay. Aha. Diyos, huwag mo ako takutin. Uy! Putik ka. Ano yun? May gumagapang. Huwag mo ako bilang-bulangan. Ano ito siya eh? Teka. Move your body. Is that working? I still can move. Move pala. Can move pala. Ito yung ayaw ko na eh. May experience sa ano ko eh. Oh my god. Yo! Ang dilim. Wala akong makita. Holy fuck. Okay. Lakas mamantay pa. Kago ka. What was that? I know it's just a dream, but it feels so real. Kapag lipan ako. Three days later. Okay, pangatong araw na. Okay. Anong nangyayari sa atin ngayon? So that is what it is, the paralysis, huh? God, that really terrifies me. Ganto ako eh. Lagi ko na yung sleep paralysis eh. Kaya inaya ko na lang. Endotoxic. Full moon. So, I'm hungry. I should eat before going to sleep. Matutulog na naman tayo. Di ba na nawa? Hey. Kailangan natin kumain. Kailangan natin reset. Ano yun? Sarap ng pagkain mo. I should consider buying a microwave. This food is as cold as ice. Okay, eat. Ito ba ganito pa kasi? Isa na ginawa mo na ako auto-clicker. God, I'm so full. I already feel sleepy. Kaya kasi matulog ng busog. Hindi mo muna magpahinga bago ako patulog. Kaya ka na-sleep paralysis eh. I cannot sleep with the lights on. Ayaw pa naman experience na may sleep paralysis. Okay, tugla naman tayo at tuglatin naman tayo ng ating pinakamasamang panaginip at sleep paralysis. Uy! Ala, I this is a interface me and I don't want to go do it again. Kala mo tumayo yung ulo. Okay. At tayo ay mag-i-sleep paralysis na naman. Out of body experience. Out of body. Okay na. Okay, sequence na naman tayo. Fuck, not again. I'm experiencing that thing again. Hindi mo maiwasan yan. This is terrifying as hell. I need to wake up. Move. Wala nangyari. It's not working again. I still cannot move. Ulitin mo kasi gumalaw. Alam ko mabigat dyan sa ano. So, ano na? May kamalabog na naman. Sabi bukasan naman ng telebisyon. Ayun naman talaga, bukasan na ng telebisyon. Yaman natin na lang. Hindi na kami gulatin. Okay. Namatay na yung TV. Ayos na. Ng pagsubok. Binubuksan mo kasi yung pinto eh. Habang tutulog ka eh. Okay. This goddamn terrifying. Wala magagawa. Ayaw mo siguro kumilos eh. Ba't kasi tutulog na busog? Pinagagalo ba dun? Okay. May ditong malabog sa kata ko, left side ko. Okay. Meron. Wala akong makita. What the fuck? Dudes! Ito yung ayaw ko makita sa sleep paralysis. Oh my! He's standing right in front of me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Napakapikit ako. Diyos ka. Yeah. Ano sa gilid ko? Wala. Nasa taas yan. Wala. Wala. Uy. Ayun na. Nakatayo na. I want to wake up already. I'm so terrified right now. Please stop. Dasal ka kasi bago patulog. Ayun na. Oh my god! Putik. Putik. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Uy! Gagi! What's happening? My body feels so light and floating. Oh my god. Wait, how am I? Is that me sleeping? What? What? So... Aha. Don't scare me. Takot sa dilim kaya ayoko pumunta. Hindi lang. Oh my god, oh my god. Hala, pupunta ko yung maingay. Wala. Kaya pala out of bat. Ay! Putang ina mo! Takbo, takbo, takbo! It's me! Ina pa ka! Ina mo! Kaya ang intense eh. God, what the hell? That was so terrifying. Oh my god. Two weeks later. Lalang palala. Pinagpawisan ako doon. Yeah, finally, I finished my work. Wait, it's night time already? I lost track of time. Should I sleep now? No, wait, I forgot. I need to submit this report to the office tonight. I should go now, so I can get home early. Okay. Labas tayo ng ano. Put your bag in your report before going to work. Okay. Time to go to work. tayo'y aalis na. Baka mayong baka mayong pangit taing ang magpaita. Okay. Uy, ganda. The office is so quiet of this hour. The night shift really okay. 8:33. Please any cable login. Lang. Patagalay natin. February. Ito mo commander. Reminder. Wake up, wake up. Wake up, workout, check up. Anniversary. Anniversary. Video player. Left beyond play test. Ano yun? Ano nga ito? Maganda to left behind tapos standard, the shall not kill. Mukhang kailangan ko ito lang. Ay, bobo. Okay. Not bad. Dear Diary, this is the first time I ever experienced something so terrifying, and I'm still shaken by it. I don't know what it's called, but whatever it was, I never want to go through it again. The memory of the creepy woman screaming in my face is burned into my mind, and still sends chills down my spine every time I think about it. Her face fell, twisted and filled with range hands of me every night. I cannot seem to escape it. No matter how hard I try, every time I close my eyes, I see her, and the fear grips me all over again. I just hope that whatever that was, it never happens to me again. I don't think I can handle another night like that. Paano ba? Dear Dayon, for the second time, I encountered the terrifying sleeping demon, and now I finally know that it's called. Is sleep paralysis, a condition where your mind is caught between being awake and asleep. I still don't fully understand how to explain it, but everything I saw that everything feels so real, as if it were truly happening to me. The fear was palpable, and it left me paralyzed. Unable to escape the horrors unfolding before my eyes. It's hard to shake the feeling that it was a whirlwind, that as demons we are actually there, like in the shadows of my mind. I know I need to find a way to stop this from happening, but I don't know where to start. Oh Lord, I'm so desperate for it to end. I'm trying to even close my eyes, and now, pray that the moment I do, I be dragged by into that nightmare's world. I just want to sleep peacefully again without the dread of what awaits me in the dark. The first 2 weeks was nothing but a nightmare. Every time I close my eyes, I meet with the paralysis fear that the demons in my sleep paralysis will return. It is as if they are waiting for the darkness to engulf me. The twisted form lurking just beyond. The fear of sleep. I tried to avoid staying up as late as possible, but the exhaustion is catching up with me. My body feels doing like I'm running in fumes, and yet the fear of what awaits me in the dark keeps me from getting the rest I desperately need. I'm terrified of the night now. The moment the sun sets, a knot of anxiety twists in my stomach knowing that sleep will bring those horrible visions is affecting my health in ways I did not anticipate. I am constantly fatigued, my head at chest, well, ewan ko, di ko alam, basa niyan po na pang, di ko alam po na neto and okay, and there is this deep sense of the truth that follows me throughout the day. I don't know how much longer I can go on like this, living out in fear of something that only exists in the shadow of my mind, yet feels so painfully really. At ano tong Goy Manuel? Ato? So, you can just pwede pa dyan ano? Look. Hindi ko lang. Describe. So, saan tayo mag-ano dito? Yan lang. Basahin natin to. Hey there. Yo, what's up? Man, it's been 2 weeks since I had the sleep paralysis. Good for you. At least you can now sleep peacefully, right? By the way, how's life, bro? Yeah, seriously, that was such a terrifying experience. Nothing new. Just the usual work stress. What else could you expect? Dude, did you hear about that delay? No, just saw something about it on social media. What a cute dog. Your dog's ugly, bro. Shut up, your dogs, for the gays. Ooh, for the gays. Shih Tzu, more like cheat you. Whatever. Ito, kay Erin Miller. Erin. Pwede mag-play. Erin is been as how you been. Working as usual, pretty stressed nowadays. Di ko lang ito What about you ba to? What about you? Okay. Well, I'm planning to quit my job. Feeling much better doing some freelance jobs. Well, as long as you're happy, that's great. By the way, I lost your number. I tried to contact you many times but no luck. Sorry about that. Well, now you got my number. So you wanna go for a coffee sometimes? It might be fun to catch up, you know? Yeah, why not? Wait, then I see you, let's say tomorrow at 5 p.m. Sunday to see ya. Alam po, 5. I am Nigerian Prince and I want to transfer $1,000 to your account. I am giving early Christmas gift to everyone to process. Please reply to this message. This is not a scam. Hello dear, are you there? Go fuck yourself. Why dear, you do not want to pay money? Nah. You can type WhatsApp to get a reply. WhatsApp. Papa, thank you for using Storyteller bot. Can you tell me a story that can help me with my sleeping problem? Sure, here. It's a short story that can help you with your sleeping. Di na ito babasahin ang haba. Baka mapuno yun na. Wow, what's a plot twist? That's a story bot. Hindi natin ibabasahin yan. Saan yung ano? Ay, ano yung subject niya? Yo, wag. Makapirate tayo eh. Downloads. Wala. Alberta lang yan eh. Settings. So, widget library. Ano? Dito ba? Di Mr. Kenneth. Tayo ba si Mr. Kenneth? Lang. Okay, tayo na si Kenneth. Ba't tulong ng isang N? Oo nga, wala lang isang N. Once you receive this email, please review the website our web developer has created. It's already been published online. It's kindly check if your website. Isa siyang developer. Okay. Mr. Kenneth. Okay, di ko na siya babasahin itong masyadong nang mahaba yun. Saan natin i-upload to? Saan natin i-upload? Dito ba? Hindi, hire manager. Ako ba oh? Basahin natin to? Sige, wala natin. I have this message by as well. My name is Kenneth and I'm writing to express my interest in joining freelance movement as a freelancer with a background in game design, game development, graphic design, web design, 3D and 2D animation, etc. I am eager to contribute my skill to your agency and collaborate on project will apply full of value, quality and professionalism. Over the past 5 years, I have honed my expertise in graphic design and website design. Working with my current company and is successfully delivering projects and transmitting international reputation. I'm particularly drawn to freelance movement to natamad na ako basa. Saan tayo mag-ano? Saan ba tayo mag-ano? Saan tayo magpapasa ng... Saan tayo magpapasa? Ano nga yun? Ay, oo, pala. Ano yun? Ito yan, ito. Next gen solutions. Next gen solution. Dapat na tayong wifi, no? Wala. Block naman yung ano nyo, please. Saan pa tayo magpapasa? Lang. Saan pa tayo magpapasa? Ano yun? Okay. So, ano yun? www.netgensolution.com www.netgensolution.com Ha? Ay, ba't nag-aadap ako? Ay, sunod. Next gen solution. So, connect natin to dito. Okay. So, next gen solution. Okay. Next gen solution. Ha? Apa? Okay. www next gen solution. Okay. Okay. Saan ba? Dito? Okay. Next gen solution. Tama ba? www. Next. Then, solution. Ano ito nun? Ba't ayaw? Diba ha? Then, next. Then, solutions. Pala. So, gagawin natin dito. Take a look. Siyempre, we got your auto ka. Nalod ba? Kung last, Kenneth, you found these notes, I would like to say that you now promote that you should be doing the work of the people while your salary stay the same. Just kidding. I have informed your workers that you planning to resign. You made a significant contribution to the company, and I don't want to see you go. So let's make a deal. I promote you, increase your salary, just don't leave. Okay? We are all rooting for you. Anyway, make sure you drop the part on the meeting room table after that you can go home. No, we are family at this tips. Okay. Ayun na. Ano na? So, paano? Ayan. Uy, teka lang. Since yung dinout ko. Saan yun? Is mawala. Anyway. Okay. So, ano yung isa na ba yung meeting room? Alam ko, dun diba? I'm still deciding whether to resign or not. This job is so stressful, especially with the toxic. Hindi ko pa nababasa. Ayun na. At tayo uwi na. Alright, that's it for the night. Time to head home and sleep. At tayo uwi na. At tulog at sabak na sa okay. So get close and alright, time to take a bath. Ito si ano eh. Lahat ng pintuan nakabukas. Di ba uso ba namang sarado ng pinto dyan? Okay. Para naman dito, di mo pwede sarado to. At hindi nga nakasarado ang pinto. This feels so good. So warm and relaxing. Tayo mo kasi sarado yung pinto. Ang mga ano dito may mangyayari masama dito. I never felt this relaxed before. Mayroon dito siguro silip din sa ano. Sa ito dito, salamin. Okay. Angat natin. Pa-upsap sa pa. Ayan, natulog. At tayo, ayan, tutulog na. Who are you? Sino ka? Okay, mukhang natin dito Yun lang. What's happening? Wait. Oh, no, 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 not again. Fuck, I don't like this. I really don't like this. Lahat naman tao di magugustuhan ito eh. Itong naman natin kasi pangitain. Alam mo, relatable ako dito sa nangyayari na sleep paralysis. Okay. No, 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 stop please. Kasi bigyan pa tayo dito tayo manayonig. Okay. Samantala pagligo ng inyong dead soul. Dead soul. Tawag doon sa movie na yan sa Pinoy. Okay. Uy, putik ka bigi. Dumaan. May dumaan lang tol. May dumaan lang mga tropa. Mukhang labas siya. Ito nakakatakot eh. Muli ko tapos bukas yung pintuan. Nasatulog ka pa. So, ano yung nangyayari sa atin? Palabas-labas ako kasi na ups eh. Kaya naman pala nagtitikuhan ng ng talito ng dead admirer mo. Uy, wala pa ba? Yan na naman tayo. Oh God, there she is again. Please stop. Leave me alone. Ayaw mo niyan? Iputik ka. Bila pumatay. Bila pumatay, pinapiyatay. Bastos ka. Okay, pwede lang. Ilan natin volume. Shadow ng okay, wala pa na nangyayari. Sasabihan ka lang yung kata maligo. Kaya ito lang ha. Ay! Putang ina mo! Gago ba? Fuck! What the heck? Oh my God! Putang ina mo! Sumihili pa yun! Dago na muna dito ah. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Lasot natin yan. I can wake up! It's so hard to breathe! Oh my God! Ayun na! Ayun na! And check ka. Oh my goodness. Stop, don't come near me please. Ay, gago na wala. Uy. No. Go away. Go away from me. Go away from me. Me. Ay. Sinabayan ka na ng maligo eh. Gagi, diyan patay na tayo. Stop, what are you doing? I can't breathe. Fuck. I cannot breathe. Okay. Silent still. At dun nata Solitary Studios. Tapos na. Thank you for playing. Hope you enjoy this experience. So So guys, tapos na mga katropa. Kung na-enjoy nyo naman tong vlog na to, at balik nyo na mag-share sa video na to, please mag-iwan kayo ng like and click nyo na yung subscribe sa baba, at huwag nyo na kalimutan yung maliit na bell para lagi kayong always kayong update sa mga bagong ina-upload na video mga katropa. So sa mga katropa, magbabay na ako sa inyo. Kita na tayo sa panibagong gagawin na upload na video. So guys, ingat kayo lagi, at kumain sa tamang oras, at babay na, tutulog na ako, natok na ako. So bye bye.